big helicopter?
Yeah. It's like my big fire engine.
It says Fashion Studio.
What do you think about those?
Yeah. Fashion Studio.
Fashion Studio?
See, you have all the designs, and you can color it, and you create your design. In the back.
Wow, Liam, what do you think about your helicopter and your fire engine?
Yeah. They're big ones.
Wow.
And they open.
Liam, Mindy, what do you think about your fashion thing?
Good.
Are you
Good.
doing a video?
You're out of it.
Good. I'm in my pajamas. Wow.
They open.
I know.
And look. My little tiny one.
Daisy.
Yeah, this
Daisy.
one says to Daddy, which